And I want to also encourage you. I want to help to build your courage so that you're going to feel good about getting out. And you're never too old. So I want us to take this journey together. Hello, I'm Terry, and I'm starting out a brand new YouTube, and I'm calling it Blessed Van Journeys. I have a 2016 Honda Odyssey Minivan that I have turned into a camper, and it's just for me and sometimes for the doggies to come with me too. And so definitely a solo traveler. I really enjoy being out in nature. I love to go hiking. And these days, it's almost more like a stroll than it is a hike. But I sure enjoy still doing what I can. And I need to get out and do it while I can do it. And that's kind of what this channel is about. I want to encourage anyone out there who is wanting to start camping in a van or motorhome or just go in their car or whatever, that it's time. It's time to do it now. Don't wait. Don't wait until you get older and then you can't do it. My father-in-law once said, I loved hiking, but he said, but I can't do it anymore. That time has long passed. Don't let that happen to you. It may not be hiking, but it may be van camping or driving somewhere just for a day to see God's beauty. It's all around us, and we need to take the time to get away from all the craziness of this world and just have some quiet time with God. And that, lots of times, that's when I feel the closest to Him, is in those quiet places, in His beauty that He created, and that we should get out and enjoy. So this channel, I hope, will be for you. I hope that's why you're here, to learn a little more about me and what my channel will be about. I plan on going on some camping excursions, but also some hikes, some maybe give you some cooking, very simple recipes or hacks to make your camping easier so that you don't have to cook all the time and spend time cleaning up as much. And I am no cook, believe me, so it's going to be hilarious. Anyway, I am so glad you're here. I don't know anything about videos, editing, that sort of stuff. I'm learning a little at a time through YouTube, so bear with me. But basically, I want to find my community. I want to find like-minded women who like to go and enjoy what God has created. I like to be able to talk with other women, and we can do that in the comments, or hopefully eventually maybe we can have some meetups. I live in the foothills of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, but I mostly just like to go for maybe 3 nights, 4 nights, somewhere that's within 2 or 3 hours drive of the foothills of the Smokies. I do like to travel, but my journeys are more to find a spot in nature where I can be closer to God, where I can have those moments that are peaceful, and that I can just meditate on Him. I'll be sharing some scriptures with you and a few little maybe Bible lessons. I am no expert, but I do feel that God wants me to share this with someone. So I've been thinking about it, and I really feel that this is what He wants me to do. I keep putting it off. Wanted to be out at a campsite when I did my first video, but it's gotten so cold. My trip that I was planning, it snowed in the Smokies. I was going to Elkmont Campground and was so excited. And then they said the temperature would be in the low 20s and snow. So I had to be a big girl and decide, this is dumb. I can wait and do it another time. But I keep finding reasons not to do this first video. And I feel like God is saying, now's the time. Do your first one. and get it out there, and then you'll feel better about the others. And I feel like He's going to take my hand and lead me. And I want to share those moments, and I want to also encourage you. I want to help to build your courage so that you're going to feel good about getting out. And you're never too old. So I want us to take this journey together. And I apologize for the blood red eye that I have. I get shots in that eye about every 4 weeks right now from a problem that I'm having. And it was another reason that I was going to stop and not do this video. But I really feel like that small, still voice is saying, do it now. So I'm telling you, I want to build your courage. I'm trying to build mine too. So let's be on this journey together. Let's find God in the quiet moments out in the nature that He created. And maybe together we can build each other's courage. I have more things planned too for this channel, but just had to get it started at some point. I'm going to attach some pictures to this video so that you can see what my van looks like right now. And at some point, I'm going to get out a Christmas van video, and it will be in the next 2 or 3 weeks. It'll be before Christmas. So I look forward to that. Look forward to you seeing. It's so fun. It's like my dollhouse, I guess, and I like to dress it up and change it around. And Harley likes to go with me sometimes, but he's a good buddy. I hope that God will bless your journeys and that you will look to Him for all that you need. I hope to see you again on my next video. So please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you then. God bless you. Bye.